So here we are at EquipAuto in Paris, a very big European show, the largest in France for the automotive sector. It's very important for us to be here as we have customers and distributors coming here from all over Europe. Excellent show, very busy show as you can see from behind me. We are here to strengthen our brand within the marketplace. We already have some distribution channels here, but we can always strengthen this more. They have a very good understanding of the HHO cleaning process in France. Many different machines already in the marketplace, but we really believe that our brand is the strongest in the whole world. So we are going to bring our machines to the party in France.
Right, so throughout the 5 days at the EquipAuto show in Paris, we've been speaking to various garages, distributors, potential distributors, and even current customers as well here in Europe. We've seen that they see the high-grade key features in our products and within our company as well. If you'd like to get more information, please do get in touch with us.